Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to make Peshawari special mutton karahi. So let's make it.
The ingredients for mutton karahi, Peshawari special mutton karahi are here. I have taken 1 kg of mutton. I've washed it, cleaned it, and I've already frozen it, so that's why it's in the packet. You can take even the fresh one. Now I have taken 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 2 inches of ginger peas, then 3 medium size of diced potatoes, 3 to 4 chilies, green chilies as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of Carom seeds, and half teaspoon of turmeric. So let's start. Now over here in the pot you can see that I have added mutton and added garlic cloves and ginger in it. So it's all up to you if you can dice it, crush it and add it, or just dice it or just add it as a whole. So I've just put all the things together, put it on a put 2 cups of water in it and put it on a boil. I'll cook it until the meat is tender. Now you can see over here it's properly cooked. The tomatoes are properly cooked. The gravy is sufficient enough what I wanted, and I'll just off the stove and keep it in the same pot for almost 5 more minutes. Just remember that after adding tomatoes, I've cooked it for further 10 to 15 minutes until the onions are properly cooked and blended with the meat, and the gravies become thick. Now then I'll show you the end result.
Tasty mutton karahi is ready to be served. Enjoy. Bye.